Hi, we are GoE and this is the brand new bike motor ONwheel. The GoE ONwheel bike motor is easy to use, lightweight, powerful and makes an e-bike out of your favorite bike in less than 5 seconds. Using the ONwheel bike motor is unbelievably easy. Snap the battery into the holder, plug in the motor, switch on the power and you're ready to go. That's it. The GoE ONwheel bike motor can provide you additional power in any situation. It does not matter if you are cycling in a flat area or going to climb up a hill. The GoE ONwheel motor always gives you enough power to do that easily. The motor comes up automatically once you start pedaling. When you stop, it falls down and does not touch your wheel. You can use the motor with nearly every bike. It is suitable for everything you would do with a normal bike and can be used under all conditions. With the GoE bike app you can easily control your e-bike and use cycling maps for navigation. You can set the speed and power limits in accordance to the local law. When you're back from your trip, just pull the motor from your bike. If it got dirty, don't worry, the motor is water resistant and you can clean it easily with your garden hose.
Hi,
I'm Frank.
I'm Peter.
We work with passion on our idea of an inexpensive and easy-to-use bike motor. We invented different designs and built in some brilliant ideas to get the best product we can imagine. We have a production partner just waiting for the start signal and we are highly motivated.
To make the ONwheel bicycle bar kit possible,
we need your help. Thank you for watching.